Hello everyone! In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to copy a Google form and save it to your Google Drive. First, click the Google Apps icon. Scroll down and select Google Forms. Here, you'll see all your forms. Find the one you want to duplicate. Hover your mouse over it and click the three dots. That's the More Options button. From the menu, select Make a Copy. A pop-up will appear asking you to rename the form. By default, it says Copy of Form Name, but you can change it something more helpful, like adding the date or project name. Next, choose where to save it in your drive. You can keep it in My Drive or place it in a folder if you like things organized. Once you're done, click Make a Copy. And that's it. That's how to copy a Google form and save it to your Google Drive. Thanks for watching! If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.